Hello guys, welcome back to Turmeric Tadka. Today we are making delicious and healthy Kal Til Ke Laddoo, a traditional sweet that's packed with flavor and goodness. With just a few simple ingredients, you can make this soft and nutritious laddu right at home. So come, let's check out this recipe. I'm using 1 cup of black sesame seeds, 1 cup of jaggery and 1 cardamom pod. With just these 3 ingredients, you can make delicious Til Ke Laddoo. Here I have taken a frying pan and adding the black sesame seed, roast them over a medium-high flame until they start to splutter. Once they begin spluttering, it means the sesame seeds are perfectly roasted. Set it aside and let it cool down slightly. Now, let's make the jaggery syrup. Add a half tablespoon of ghee to the frying pan. Once the ghee is hot, add the jaggery and a splash of water. I have powdered the cardamom and already mixed it in this water. Stir continuously until the jaggery melts completely and forms a smooth syrup. To check if the jaggery syrup is ready, take a small bowl of water and add a drop of syrup into it. If it forms a soft ball and does not dissolve, that means the syrup is ready. Now add the well-roasted sesame seed to the jaggery syrup and stir well until everything is evenly coated. Without wasting any time, start making the laddoos. Keep a small bowl of water nearby and lightly wet your hands. Take small portion of the sesame mixture and gently shape them into round laddoos. Repeat the same process with the remaining mixture. Make sure to shape the laddoos immediately after taking the mixture off the stove, as it hardens quickly and becomes difficult to work with. And there you have it. Delicious and homemade Til Ke Laddoos are ready to serve. Crispy roasted sesame seeds coated in perfectly cooked jaggery syrup come together to create sweet, aromatic and wholesome laddoos that are perfect for festivals or as a healthy snack. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy and authentic recipes.